Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Corina Feraru and I'm a senior software engineer based in the UK with over 8 years of experience in the tech industry. This is my very first YouTube video that has been such a long dream project of mine. I'm finally making it a reality today and I am so happy and excited to be here building this community with you. If you are just breaking into tech or looking for programming, solving coding tutorials, or just in general, if you want some inspiration and good vibes, you are in the right place, so welcome. Who is this channel for? Well, this space is especially close to my heart because it's geared towards women in tech, women who want to break into tech, and just about anyone who wants to make the leap into tech. But let's just be clear, everyone is welcome here. Whether you are someone who's looking, is this right for me? Can I really do this? Someone already in tech but feeling a bit stuck. A beginner trying to wrap their heads around specific concepts. A developer searching for real talk, because let's just be clear, a lot of coding tutorials don't really involve real chat and just day-to-day, a bit of venting, you know, that we all need to do sometimes. Or just someone who needs a reminder that you're not alone in this journey. This channel is for you. And I'm here to remind you, you've got this. And you don't have to figure it out all by yourself. We're all a community and we all need each other's help. So I'm so pleased that I've finally gotten the courage and the experience to really be able to make something like this for you. My story, let's rewind a bit. I'm originally from a very humble city in Romania. I've studied foreign languages and I have a master in intercultural communication strategies. I know it's a mouthful. I speak 4 languages, Romanian, my native one, English, Greek and Spanish. And for a long time, I've actually worked in customer support, technical support, translations, etc. But I was always intrigued by web development. I would always ask myself, how do these websites even work? What's underneath? How are they built? What's behind the screen? How does it work? So I've always had that kind of engineering brain. Eventually, I did a small course in Bucharest, just very plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript fundamentals. I've built a very humble static website, but I've deployed it on GoDaddy and all of that. So that taught me a lot, to be honest, which I'm very grateful for. And that little win changed everything, because at that point I thought I want the whole ecosystem knowledge. I wanted to go big. I wanted to learn real development, like databases, architecture, backend logic, business logic, project management, frameworks, security, deployment, all of that, all the ecosystem, as I said. So I have taken the leap of faith, and in 2016 I packed my bags and I left my country, Romania. I left my friends, I left my life, and I moved to the UK, which I've always loved, by the way. It's a fascinating country despite the weather. But it truly is. And I have worked here for 10 months in a customer support role that I really disliked, but that helped me save some money to do a boot camp. So I have done a full stack Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, React bootcamp in somewhere in the south of England, which helped me basically get my first job. It was very intense. I won't lie. We lived, breathed, slept, eaten code every day, 9 a.m. till 11 p.m., sometimes even 1 a.m. in the night. But I loved it. I met amazing people, made very strong friendships out of it. And I learned so much, which I'm so grateful. And thankfully, I landed my first job after the boot camp. Shout out to everyone starting out. It's not easy, but it's so worth it. I've been quite grateful and fortunate actually to land this first job. I don't want to lie to you, it was hard. So I did work very, very hard. I built my own project. I wanted to have a little portfolio, and then the interview itself with with the hiring team, especially the developers, obviously the colleagues, that was not a walk in the park, but we'll chat about that in another video. I would love to share a bit more about this experience as well. But anyway, I have spent the first 6 years of this work experience starting as a junior developer, learning so much, growing, learning, failing, and everything in between, basically leveling up. I'm now working at a different company. It's a tech for good one with an incredible team, and I genuinely wake up very happy every day to do my job. What this channel will be about. So here's what you can expect more or less from this channel. I'm sure it will change. We'll see how it will change. But generally it will be programming tutorials on how to solve specific coding issues, beginner-friendly content explaining key concepts, and real honest chats about decision-making in your tech career, team dynamics, daily interactions, PR reviews, receiving and giving. I know PR reviews can be quite scary. Keeping up with the tech world, all the changes, day-to-day changes, choosing the right framework, the right solution, the right jam, and how to deal with impostor syndrome, most and foremost, which is so important, especially as a woman in tech. This channel is about learning, growing, failing, retrying, and doing it all together. I wanted to feel like a coffee chat with a friend who just gets it, and there is no judgment because we're all in the same bucket. A bit about myself outside of tech. I am a huge foodie. I am dreaming of having my own restaurant one day. I won't necessarily be the chef, but I want to own a restaurant and be the vision that I dream about. But yeah, I love cooking, trying new dishes, exploring cuisines whilst I travel. I love dancing. It's my happy place. It's my therapy, and running as well. I try to run about 4 times a week. I'm a dreamer, as I said. I want to have my own restaurant, and I want to have a little house somewhere in the middle of Tuscany overseeing the fields. That's a dream I've had ever since I was like 11 or so. I'm hoping to have this in about 10 years from now when I'll be about 45. That's my dream, really, to have like a consulting job in the tech industry and work remotely from anywhere in the world. Because this is the beauty of being in tech, isn't it? You just need good internet connection and reliability from the people you work with. And autonomy. So tech has given me this freedom and is giving me this freedom, and it's one of the main reasons I have chosen to make this big switch from customer support into tech. I've chosen it because I was just fed up and I wanted something bigger. I wanted to make an impact. I wanted every day to have a dynamic move and vibe about it and to grow, and I wanted it to not be boring. And of course, I mean, who doesn't want the nice bonuses of being paid well, traveling the world, being able to work remotely, and really being surrounded by a lot of people who are really smart people. And it's quite motivational and inspirational to have that kind of circle. So just to close up, I don't want to have a very, very long first video. I hope I didn't get you too bored by now. This channel isn't just about code. It's about community, support, inspiration, and all the real talk that doesn't always make it to the tutorials, as I said previously. It's been in my heart and on my mind for over 2 years. So yeah, I'm finally doing it. Super excited to be here to do this with you. I honestly couldn't be more grateful and excited. Starting this channel feels like opening the door to something I've really been building up the courage to do. So now it's here, and it's I feel like it's at the exactly right time. You know, when you feel like I want to do this, but I don't feel super ready for it. Now I'm really pleased that I've taken the time to learn so much, especially changing jobs as well, and making the leap from medium level developer to senior. That's a really hard and very subjective gray area to define yourself within. So doing that over a year and a bit ago, and interviewing for about a year, because I've taken my sweet time interviewing and that's almost like a second job in its own. I've learned so much, and making the change to another company in another sector, it's also, I've learned so much from that as well. So on top of the actual coding experience, I feel like it's finally the time that I've gathered so much I can give back to the community. I want to create a space where we lift each other up and no question is too small. I want to remind you that you are not alone, not in the struggles, not in the doubts, and definitely not in the wins. I mean, who doesn't love that big win when you just have it working? We all know it, right? So if you're here to grow, to learn, to laugh, and definitely to keep going on those tough days, trust me, you are in the right place. Welcome. Please hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Please do leave a comment. I want to get to know you. Whatever questions you have, I would be so pleased to be able to hear your story and build this beautiful community together. Let's make this not just a channel. Let's build a space where we grow together and support each other and uplift each other and show as fully as we are without judgment. For every woman stepping into tech, and for anyone out there who just needs a reminder that they're not alone in this industry, this is just the beginning, and I'm truly honored and happy to have you here. Thank you so much for watching this, my very first YouTube video. I know it will not be the best or up to standards, but I have finally done it. I'm so pleased. I'm so excited and so energetic for what's coming. There will be lots of programming tutorials and lots of upcoming chats about a diverse category of experiences and subjects that I want to talk to you about. Thank you so much once again, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.